Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Uh, as per the new pattern of the mathematics question paper, as you have know that the pattern of the question paper is changed now. So based on that, today I am here with MCQ's mathematics model question paper, that is 2021. So as I received this model paper, I thought of sharing with you people. So I am here with the model paper. Let us start the questions. You know that in this model papers we have 40 questions. So the question number here, all the questions are of multiple choice. So the question number 1 is, the lines representing 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equals to 0 are, they are asking these two lines representing are option A, intersecting lines, B, perpendicular lines, C, parallel lines, and D, coincident lines. See, compared to all subject like other subject, you can directly answer this, but in case of mathematics, unless and until you solve these questions in a rough paper, you will not able to find the answer. So let me solve this. What is the question they have asked here is, the lines representing 2x plus 3y minus 9. You should be very quick in solving this because you are solving this in a rough page. You have to write the correct answer. So here the two questions they are asking, whether this line representing are intersecting a perpendicular or parallel line. So we know that A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. Which condition it will help to solve this? 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6 and minus 9 upon minus 18. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Minus minus get cancelled. Everything got half. Like A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is also equal to C1 upon C2, and this is the condition for coincident line. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is also equal to C1 upon C2. So the first correct option is coincident line. Option D is the correct. That is coincident line. You have to write these answers in the OMR sheets. Actually this time they have said that the answer should be written in the OMR sheets. So you have to circle the D options. Okay. Let us see the next question. 10th term of an AP 5, 9, 13 is what? 10th term of an AP. Second term, second one question. 10th term you have to find. A10 is equals to, you have to find from which AP? 5, 9, 13. This is the AP. 10th term you have to find. You have to be very quick. A is equals to 5. D is equals to 9 minus 5. That is D is equals to 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. 10th term you know that A plus 9D. One term we have to less. A plus 9D. A value is 5 plus 9 into D value is 4. 5 plus 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. So the 10th term is 41. Which option? C41 is a correct answer. C41 is a correct answer. You should not tick. You have to circle in the OMR sheet. I am showing you here correct answer. Okay. Let us see the next question. Question number 3. Roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 are. We know the correct one. That is x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2. 2a. So in this we have to see which is the correct. X is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a is the correct. First one is correct because rest all is, we can see here minus b is there starting. Here we can see minus b plus is there. Here minus minus is there. So the correct one is first one. Okay. Next we will see value of sine 30 plus cos 60 is. The value of sine 30 plus cos 60 is. How you will find quickly? Sine 30, fourth one, sine 30 plus cos 60. Okay. Sine 30 value is half plus cos 60 also is half. And you know half plus half is 1. Half plus half value is 1. So the correct answer is D, 1. Okay. Next question. Distance between the origin and a point. When you get origin and a point, 3, 4. When you get origin, what you have to find? D is equals to root of which point? 3, 4. 3 square plus 4 square you have to do. Which point they have given, that square you have to do. D is equals to root of 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, that is 16 plus 9 is 25, root 25 is nothing but 5. So the answer is 5. Correct option is 5. Distance between the origin and point 3, 4 is 5. I have shown you how we get 5. Okay. A line passing through 2 points on a circumference of a circle is secant. Passing through 2 points. A line passing through 2 points on a circumference of a circle. Here a line passing through a circumference, 2 point on a circumference. See, there is two conditions. One, intersecting on a circumference it comes, it is secant. But a line passing through 2 points on a circumference is nothing but chord. See, this is a line passing through. Intersecting means secant. Line will be secant. But passing through is nothing but chord. Okay, so the correct answer is chord. Here, let us see the next question. Question number 7. Total surface area of hemisphere is. Total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. The correct option is 3 pi r square. You should by heart all these formulas. This will be the sure questions in the examination. Total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Now let us see here. If the area of circular base is 154 centimeter square, height 10 centimeter, then the volume of cylinder is. What they have told? Area of circular base. We know that base is always circle. So what is the formula is here? Area of circular base. Area of circular base is pi r square. Because area of circle is pi r square. So pi r square area is given 154. That is pi r square value. We know that volume of, find the volume of cylinder they have told. Volume of cylinder is nothing but pi r square h. Now pi r square value, we know pi r square value is 154. So in place of pi r square I'll write 154. H value it is given, height is 10 centimeter. So into 10. 154 into 10 is 1540. It is volume, so centimeter cube. If it is volume, you should always write centimeter cube, and area means square. Now here we have 1540 centimeter cube, also 1540 centimeter square. So correct option is centimeter cube because it is volume. So C is the correct option. Okay. 1540 centimeter cube. Let us see this one. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, lines are inconsistent. Here they have given the condition lines are inconsistent, and the condition for lines are inconsistent is nothing but a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, which is not equal to c1 upon c2. Correct answer is B. You should remember this because there are three conditions, one consistent, one inconsistent and one dependent. So inconsistent means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, and which is not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, let us see now question number 10. So the question number 10 is, in an AP, okay, question number 10, in an AP, if the fourth term is 9 and common difference is 2, then the third term is, okay, let me write, in an AP, they have told fourth term is 9 and common difference is 2, then the third term is what they have asked, okay. A4 is, fourth term is 9. A4 is equals to A plus 3D is equals to 9. Okay. Let us, we have D value. We will find A value first. We should be very quick. A plus 3 into D is 2 is equals to 9. A plus 3 to the 6 is equals to 9. A is equals to 9 here only minus 6. We get A is equals to 9 minus 6 is 3. We got A value is 3. What they have asked third term is? Third term is nothing but A plus 2D. A value we got just now 3. 3 plus 2 into D value is 2. 3 plus 2 to the 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So the third term is 7. Let us see. Third term is 7. So the correct answer is D. Okay. The next question. If a quadratic equation has two equal roots, then discriminant is. If a quadratic equation has two equal roots, then the discriminant is. Equal roots, then the discriminant is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. The condition is two equal roots. So this condition b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So the correct answer is C. Now the next value, question number 12. Value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is. We know that this is the identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. Okay. So we got this answer. Now the coordinates of the point P of xy, which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2. We know this is nothing but a section formula. So the correct option in this is m1 plus m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus x2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Here m1 x2 minus is not correct option. Then here again they have given m1 x2 plus m2 x1 plus m1 minus m2. Minus also is not correct. m1 x1 plus m2 x2, this is also not correct. So the correct option is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So the next question, question number 14. Tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter are mutually. Tangents drawn at the end of the diameter are mutually parallel. You should remember this, okay? Tangent drawn at the end of the diameter are always mutually parallel. Next one, question number 15. Curved surface area of cone is, that is CSA of cone is pi RL. You should remember this formula. Curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Now the next question is, corresponding sides of two triangles are in the ratio 1:4. areas of this triangle are in the ratio. See, sides are given, areas they are asking. Okay, when sides are given, we have to square that sides. Always remember, 1:4 they have given as sides, 1:4. And if we need area, I'll show here, sides is given 1:4. They have asked about area, then what we have to do, 1 square is to 4 square. 1 square is to 4 square is 16. If the sides is given and if they ask area, we have to square. And if the area is given and they are asking side, means we have to do root. But here they have asked area, so and side is given. So answer is 1:16 and the correct option is B, 1:16. Okay. Now next question. If 4x plus py plus 8 equals to 0 and 4x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0, represent parallel lines, the value of p is, okay, represent parallel lines they are asking. So let us see here now. Okay, parallel lines condition is nothing but, I'll write what is the condition for parallel lines. Condition for parallel lines is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, which is not equal to c1 upon c2. This is the condition for parallel lines. Now the equations are 4x plus py plus 8 equal to 0 and 4x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. Now a1 value is 4. A2 value is also 4 is equals to B1 value is P and B2 value is also 4. Now we need not require C1 because they are not equal. Now P value, how we will find? 4 get cancelled, P is equals to 4. So we got the P value, that is question number 17. We got P value as 4. So the correct answer is C, 4. Okay, now let us see the next question, question number 18. Okay, let us see the question number 18. The discriminant of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0 is. The discriminant, we know the discriminant is what? That is, let us write the equation first. Quadratic equation is x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Discriminant is d is equals to b square minus 4ac. A value is nothing but 1, b value is minus 5 and c value is 3. D is equals to minus 5 square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is 3. 5 square is nothing but 25 minus 4 3s are 12. So 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 13. So discriminant is here 13. C, option C is the correct answer. Now here the value of sine 28 degree upon cos 62 degree is. Okay. Question number 19. The value of sine 28 degree upon cos 62 degree is sine 28. Any one we have to change this. Any one question we have to change. This sine 28 degree I'll keep as it is upon for cos 90 minus 28 we have to write because 90 minus 28 is 62 only. Okay. Sine 28 as it is upon cos 90 is according to complementary angles formula cos 90 is sine 28 as it is. That is, if you want, I'll show you. Cos 90 minus theta is cos 90 sine theta as it is. Same thing I have did. Cos 90 sin 28 as it is. 28 get cancelled. So answer is 1. So correct option in this is 1. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, here you can see 90 degree. ACB is 45 degree. AB is 15 meter. So value of BC is, okay, what they have told here, last 28 question. Actually total questions are 40. Here I have written 20 question. As you know that this is the pandemic situation and we don't have any shops open, so I am writing this model paper from what I have got. I don't have printout here to show you, so I'm writing this. So 20 questions I have written here. In my next video again 20, total 40 questions in one model paper. So in my part 2 video I'll continue from question number 21, again 40 questions. Okay, so here the question is in triangle ABC. I'll draw the triangle. I'll draw the triangle ABC. They have given an angle B, it is mentioned 90 degree, and C they have given 45 degree. ACB they have given 45 degree and AB value they have given 15 meter. Find BC. Now we know that in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, then tan 45 is tan 45 degree is opposite upon adjacent, AB upon BC. Tan 45 value is 1, AB value they have given 15 upon BC. So BC into 1 is BC is equals to 15. So correct answer is 15 meter. That is A, 15 is a correct option. So in my next video I'm going to continue from question number 21 which I have here. I'll continue in my next video. I'll make the part 2 video of this, and inshallah if I receive again any other model paper, even I'll make video on that. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.